Henry? Henry, I don't think Mom and Dad came home.
I don't care.
Oh my God. Get back in your room, Henry.
So he got the whole apple in his mouth, but it got stuck. And Louis and Jeremy started tickling him, and I got worried he might choke. I mean, you can choke on an apple, and he was laughing really hard. So I made them stop, and we had to cut the apple out of his mouth in pieces. He said the next night his jaw really still hurt.
I bet.
Yeah. Oh, Paige, we gotta go.
Oh, sweetheart. Hang on a second. Privacy and respect. This is why we have those rules.
I know.
Why would you open a closed door?
I missed you, Mom, and I'm sorry.
Well, I missed you too, honey. And things are gonna get back to normal now. They are.
Yeah.
But we have to be able to trust each other. Okay?
I know, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It is okay. Go get your things for school.
Thank you for doing my laundry.
Let's go, Paige. Come on.
What do you think?
Who knows what's going on in that little head?
Probably be a while before he walks in on us again.
Based on what she saw last night, I'm surprised she even came downstairs this morning.
Yeah. Do we even know if this is the first time she's checked on us?